In this short clinical video, we'll learn about loud fast heart sound causes and the soft fast heart sound causes. Fast heart sound occurs when there is closure of mitral and tricuspid valve. Now, when it will become loud? When there is stenosis of the mitral valve and it closes and makes a clapping like heart sound, then the fast heart sound will be loud. It can also occur when there is heart is pumping very quick, that is increased cardiac contractility seen in hyperkinetic condition like dynamic circulation as in case of severe anemia, or there is tachycardia which may be due to emotion or exercise, or it may be arrhythmia for which there is tachycardia, for example short PR interval as seen in old Parkinson White syndrome. Thank you.